Whether you're upgrading from an apartment to something more spacious, or a small house to a bigger house, how do you do it? The young couple Noleen and Des were living in a one-bedroom apartment and craving a bit more space. So they saved some funds, sold their place and purchased a 3-bedroom apartment that gives them a bit more room to spread out.
The driving factors to upsize was having an office space outside of my living space.
Also the spare rooms, so for friends and family and things like that.
And definitely being able to get my newest family member, Luna.
If you're selling your current home to buy your next one, you need a really accurate idea of its value. Look at really recent comparable sales of properties nearby and get 2 or 3 appraisals from local real estate agents. Be conservative and use the low end of their appraisals as your best case scenario. Before going shopping for a property, find out how much you have to spend by getting pre-approved for a home loan. A mortgage broker or a lender can analyse your financial position, explain your options and give you an idea of your buying power. When the market is rising quickly, upgrading is tricky because the values of bigger and better homes are probably rising even more than yours is. Most people normally sell their existing home before buying their next one, but in a booming market, a lot more people buy first, assuming they've got the cash to pay the deposit. So how do you buy your next home if you haven't sold yet? One option could be a bridging loan, where the bank loans you money on the condition that you do sell your first home. But a better option could be to line up your settlement dates. If you buy first, ask for a longer settlement period, say 120 days, which should give you enough time to get your home on the market and sell it. And if you do sell first, a longer settlement could give you more time to find the one. Upsizing might feel stressful, and if you're taking on more debt, you need to make sure you're in a financial position to do so. But if making the move enhances your lifestyle, you could find that it's worth it.